I've learned a great deal about master scheduling. I've seen many headaches over scheduling to make sure to minimize ethical dilemmas. I've seen admin lock themselves in a room for weeks during summer to try to do scheduling. And then they sit down again for 3 to 4 times once again to fix it. And once the kids arrive, there's still changes. After a week or two, sometimes more schedule changes. Students do not get along. There's bullying, etc. Any problems, you might have to change the schedule. But I think to have a positive mindset, which is what a longtime admin told me, scheduling is an ongoing process. That is more realistic. I know technology has gotten better, so that helps create plans. But there's more than one method. There's lots of things to look at to prevent ethical dilemmas in scheduling. I often really think to prevent ethical dilemmas, we need to ask input from teachers, not just test scores. This is especially true with our special needs students that deserve to be mainstream. They need a schedule that fits their needs that their families approve. For the three and explain as a school leader, there's more than three. Scheduling is a big challenge, but it has to be done effectively and aligned with research. Some past administrators gave me tips to really pay attention to who to prevent ethical problems. The first one I was told was proficiency versus growth. Some students are a good test taker, or they took a test and did good once, but that doesn't actually mean they're ready for honors or will do the work appropriately. They might just need to be in a regular English class. Some students say that they are proficient according to the test, but they actually need a lot of help to get to that point. They might need an intervention class or some tutoring. It really seems like districts like to push students up if they see any growth. But is it enough growth? Are they really ready for that proficiency versus a tiny bit of growth? We need to make sure we have enough background information to help them get to the right class, and if they move up to higher levels, prevent ethical dilemmas. For newcomers, our site has many, many newcomers. They don't speak English. They might speak a dialect from their home country that the teachers don't know. We're in the salad bowl of the world in Salinas, and there's many people from many parts of the world. And many are migrant workers. They deserve a good schedule, but it's not easy, and so we work really hard to have a good education, so proper supports must be set up. We also have a lot of English learners at our site, being that we are in a migrant town for field work. And when the LFAPs are reclassified, their schedule change. And the goal is to not have ethical dilemmas, but to find students that are close to moving up and give them extra tutoring and set goals so they can reclassify and have a better schedule. For special needs, it's really crucial to have the right schedule for special needs students. You got to follow the IEPs. Sometimes there's more you have to write into an IEP, like they need to go to lunch or an area before it gets too loud due to sensory needs. That can be fit into their schedules. Some students have special scheduling for PT, OT, speech. For social emotional learning, some students are very smart, yet their schedule should match their needs. Some students have medical diagnosis of anxiety or bipolar depression and might need a more quiet environment or scheduling or pull-out area if they're getting overwhelmed. I did interview a coworker about scheduling who has far more experience in it than I, and it was really helpful to compare and contrast their school differences versus mine. For them, they said scheduling is important to address educational inequality for economic disadvantaged students and those schools that qualify for Title I, where the paperwork has to match included schedules. A nation at risk, a standard-based reform, data, and best practices for scheduling. An ethical dilemma often happens when there's standards or a paradox between two moral decisions. It's really a problem in a decision-making process in this area, so we need to often For example, students on a diploma track have to meet the right classes and GPA to graduate. Some students, though, just want a certification, have ADHD, or just want to go to work versus some students want to get the minimum amount of credit and then go straight to work. Their parents do whatever they need to do. Sometimes kids struggle, and you'll get a junior and a freshman math class where they have to pass math and that is a moral dilemma. If there's a freshman, including myself, that was this one, a senior in an art class, all freshmen, but I had to do it because I needed the art class for Cal Poly. Also make sure that IEP and contracts are completed. Make sure students are dispersed among the grade. Was her contract at her school. That was new. I hadn't heard that before, but it makes sense. And this can work if special teachers, special education teachers and paraeducators push in with accommodation and increased level. It can be harder in the older grade levels like high school. Overall,